Imagine a summer without sunshine. Crops failing. Snow falling in June. Global famine. It sounds unbelievable, but it actually happened. In 1816, the world experienced what became known as the year without a summer. It all began the year before. In April 1815, when Mount Tambora erupted in what remains one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in recorded history. Located in present-day Indonesia, Tambora's explosion was so massive it ejected over 100 cubic kilometers of ash and gas into the atmosphere. The eruption filled the sky with ash and sulfur dioxide, which spread across the globe, forming a haze that reflected sunlight away from Earth. This caused temperatures to drop dramatically, especially in the northern hemisphere. By the summer of 1816, the effects were being felt worldwide. In the northeastern United States and parts of Canada, snow fell in June and frost struck in July and August. Farmers watched helplessly as their crops withered or never ripened. Food became scarce and prices soared. Across Europe, the weather was equally disastrous. Rain fell almost non-stop. Rivers overflowed. Harvests failed, leading to food shortages and widespread hunger. In some areas, the poor were forced to eat grass and weeds to survive. But even in the middle of this bleak year, something unexpected happened. In Switzerland, a group of writers, trapped indoors by the cold and gloomy weather, challenged each other to write ghost stories. Among them was a young woman named Mary Shelley. Her contribution to that challenge was the story that became Frankenstein. The year without a summer was a natural disaster with global consequences. It is a reminder of how a single event, like a volcanic eruption, can ripple across continents, affect the climate, and alter the course of human history. And though it happened more than 200 years ago, it still echoes today as scientists warn of how fragile our climate really is. Thanks for listening. If you found this story fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.